And this week on Dreamweaver,
it's time to add the crystal prop coating to protect the prop. Hi, I'm Tony.
And I'm Kathy.
And welcome to our adventures on Dreamweaver. The first thing you'll want to do is wash as much grease and grime off of the prop that you can. Get it as clean as you can before you start the process. And we're going to clean it with acetone. Make sure to use a clean rag and then take acetone and clean it really good. You want to keep cleaning it until all the black comes off of it so you don't see any black back on your rag. Next, I used an orbital sander and I sanded the prop to make sure you can get everything I could possibly off of it, to get it as clean as possible. Then after you sand it very well, you want to make sure you get all the sand and dust off. Clean it with acetone again. So just keep going on the prop front and back until it gets really shiny. And it's made out of bronze, so you'll be able to see the places that you've actually cleaned it very well and the places that you haven't. Some of the places are hard to get to, especially where the prop shaft is connected to the prop itself. So you'll have to just keep turning it and sanding a little at a time. Be patient, because this is an important process of actually making sure that it actually will coat and stay on very, very well. If you don't get it clean enough, it will not stay on. Crystal prop is a self-cleaning, long-lasting type paint that you can put on props, shafts, struts. It's made for any metallic or metal that's underwater. When you apply it, it creates a hard, slick surface that marine growth will not adhere to, and it doesn't need a primer. It really has a lot of adhesion to metal. Make sure to tape up any anodes or anything that really need to be in the water so you don't coat those also. You can put it on either by a brush, or you can spray it on if you want to, but I decided to put it on with a brush. It comes with 2 containers. One is the hardener and one is the paint itself. And it's a 1-to-1 ratio, and you put it on as a single coat. I like to use a specimen cup with a cap to mix it in, that way it doesn't get all over the place. But you really can't save this stuff once you mix it up. Like I say, it's made to use all of it in both bottles at one time, but the specimen cup makes it really clean and easy to put on, be able to dip your brush into the specimen cup. Okay, time to mix this stuff up and get it on the prop. So like I say, just take both bottles, dump the whole contents in the specimen cup and mix it up. Then you can just use a small brush to apply it. After I mixed it up well, I did decide to put it in a bigger container. It made it easier to put my brush in it and be able to see how much I had left. It applies clear, and it looks like a thin coat, but you can see where you're putting it because it's really shiny. So just get a good coat on it. And it's a 1 coat application, so you just want to coat it really good front and back and make sure you didn't miss any spots.
When I was young, I had it all planned out, that something big was down the road. I really thought I'd have it all by now, not be a failure if I don't.
I think it turned out very, very well. Looks really good. And I hope that it's going to keep the growth off of the prop. So we'll see.
Next episode on Dreamweaver SV.
We installed the second set of solar panels.